Welcome to today's episode. We're going to dive into one of the greatest classics in American literature, Moby Dick, by Herman Melville. This epic story follows Captain Ahab's quest to hunt down the giant white whale, Moby Dick. Let's embark on this thrilling journey across the seas. The story begins with Ishmael, the narrator, who decides to join the crew of a whaling ship called the Pequod. Ishmael loves the sea and sees it as an escape from his mundane life. Early on, he meets his new friend Queequeg, a Polynesian harpooner, and together they decide to join the crew of the Pequod. Once the ship sets sail, the crew finally meets Captain Ahab, who is obsessed with hunting down the giant white whale, Moby Dick. Ahab had lost his leg in a previous encounter with the whale, and since then, he has been consumed by the desire for revenge. Ahab promises a large reward to the first man who spots Moby Dick. Throughout their journey, the Pequod encounters various adventures and challenges at sea. The crew hunts different whales and interacts with other ships in the vast ocean. Despite these interactions, Ahab remains fixated on tracking down Moby Dick. The voyage is filled with breathtaking and perilous moments that showcase the power and beauty of the ocean. After weeks of searching, the crew finally spots Moby Dick. In their first encounter, the white whale reveals its immense power and majesty. Ahab and the crew attempt to capture it, but the whale attacks them and destroys their boats. This fierce confrontation underscores the danger and challenge of their mission. Ahab's obsession with hunting Moby Dick grows, causing him to lose focus on the safety of the crew and the ship. The crew begins to doubt his judgment, but they continue to follow him due to his relentless pursuit of revenge. Ahab's obsession reaches a dangerous level, putting everyone's lives at risk. In the final confrontation, Ahab encounters Moby Dick once again, determined to kill it. However, the whale destroys the Pequod and sinks it. Ahab dies in his last attempt for revenge. Ishmael, the lone survivor, is eventually rescued by another ship, narrating the tragic end of this epic tale. This story teaches us about the power of nature, the destructive force of obsession, and how it can consume a person and those around them. Moby Dick is an epic story representing the struggle between man and nature, and between the desire for revenge and inner peace. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all our latest updates. Thank you for watching.